Hey, Denny here, lead marketer with Weekend Publisher, and I wanted to make this quick video to show you something a little special. As many of you know, I am a marketing coach, and my business offers coaching and for writing and marketing and so on. And a lot of times, not all the time, but oftentimes, we'd get a client that wants to send out ARCs or advanced review copies. So sometimes people will send me, Janae, I know you're a busy man, but if you wanted to read the book, here's the electronic version. And then a smaller percentage of times people will actually send me their physical book. And I'll say, I can't promise that I'll read it. I get, books, every couple of days kind of sent my way, and I just don't have enough time, unfortunately. So one of my clients wanted to reach out and send me a physical copy, and I gave the usual disclaimer. But when I got the copy in the mail, I was so impressed that I just had to read the book. So I want to show you what this package looks like, because I am extremely impressed. So if you are thinking about sending out physical copies to ARCs or advanced review copies or advanced reader copies, people call it different names. So advanced review copies or advanced reader copies, it's basically the same thing. You're sending someone a book in advance, hopefully in exchange for an honest review. That's what ARCs are, or ARCs. So let's take a look at this package, and I think you're going to be very impressed as well. It might give you some ideas if you decide to do it. And here it is. Let me just get my mouse out of the way here. So here it is. This is the box. Like, look at this. It's a custom box. Like, there's a lot through this entire thing. You're going to notice the theme of just a lot of effort and a lot of passion put into this book. Not only writing the book, which I've read and I've noticed, but also in packaging it up. Okay, so this is the box. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. Funny things await you. Like, my goodness, look at this thing. And it has our website on the side here. The office space, and 9 to 5 for fans of. Wow. Okay, so let's take a look at just the packaging. This showed up on my doorstep, and I just had to laugh. I'm like, wow, like this is incredible. You get like a bunch of Amazon packages, and they're just the standard type of boxes, and you get something like this, and you're like, holy crap, like what is this all about? So of course I had to open it up. I was excited to grab it, and let's open it up. So let's see what's inside. You could tell that the care and passion has translated to the inside as well. And I have a custom letter for me here, and I haven't even read it yet. Hello, Denny. Your advice worked. Thank you. After reading, please rate and review on Amazon. Mail the postcard to a friend who would like the book. Let me know what you think. Yeah, wow, that's really thoughtful. You're welcome. And of course, she was a marketing client of mine. That's what the advice is referring to. But yeah, and that's thick. My goodness. Anyways, then we have this sort of, I don't even know what you would call this, like a one-pager, with the description of the book on here. Let's see what else is in here. Mascot books for immediate release. Okay, so this is like probably a press release or something. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. All right, what else do we got in here? So we got some suckers. I'll save those for later. We even have a button. How to suck at business without really trying. Look at that. My goodness. All right, so we got 4 stickers. I don't even know where I'm going to stick these yet. Got a QR code to scan. I haven't scanned that yet. Other nicknames include sucker or dummy. Okay, maybe that's where the sucker... Right, how to suck at business, and they got suckers. Okay, I'm catching on now. Okay, awesome. We got a pen, a branded pen too. Suck at business. Could always use another pen in the kitchen. And we have another. Okay, so this might be the postcard that she's talking about. Yeah. So how to suck at business without really trying. You know what? I'm gonna send this to someone, because how often do you get postcards these days, right? Like very, very rarely. Yeah, this is going to be fun to send someone. I'm going to send this to someone. And then, of course, the actual book itself. And then this is just this I don't even know what this is called, than the actual book itself. So yeah, needless to say, after all of this packaging and all of this time and care and passion, I would be an absolute jerk if I got all of this and I saw all of this and I saw the passion put into this. I would be an absolute jerk if I didn't read the book and review it on Amazon. So what did I do? I did exactly that. I read the book and I reviewed it on Amazon. Now, not everybody has to do exactly that. You don't have to go this extravagant. But I tell you, even if she had just included the personalized note, that would have made a big difference. Some of this other stuff, a little bit of candies and stickers, like it's just, it's really gone above and beyond. And yeah, like I said, not every book that I get in the mail, I have time to read and review it. And you know what? This is the point of view that not a lot of authors get. The point of view from the actual ARC reader. A lot of authors are from the point of view of the author, right? And you think about, okay, what will actually, let me take this out of there. What will actually get people, I could send them out, but what will actually get people to read it and review it? And this, I can tell you, this is one absolute way you can do that. Like I said, I would have been a jerk if I've gotten this and the personalized note and all of this swag and not left a review. So I do recommend checking out her book. It's called How to Suck at Business Without Even Trying. I think it was hilarious. I laughed probably every other page. It was my type of humor, The Office Space, like that type of dry, witty humor. So I definitely recommend it. I will link to it down below. And let me know in the comment section, will this change how you send out art copies? Are you going to add a little bit of flair as well? I absolutely recommend it. It will. I can guarantee you it will increase your review rates if you put in a lot of passion, or even if you just show a little bit of passion, or not so much passion, but a little bit of care and personalization. It will make a big difference. Let me know how you are going to change things moving forward. Again, I'm Denis with 𝐒𝐞𝐥𝐿 Publisher, and I'll see you in the next one.